Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this phone. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to contacts and pick the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Then click on edit, which is right here, and now select add photo. You can either take a photo, so it's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery and then customize it however you like. So you can crop it, you can rotate it, as only you wish, then click on save copy and tap on save again to apply the change. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.